Hey guys, my marketing things here. So we have cars in this place that we are in, and everybody say hi. Hello.
Today's the day we go back to a junkyard. We went to a junkyard earlier this year to get parts for the Acura, and I wasn't doing YouTube at the time, but now I brought my camera, and we almost forgot to bring tools, which would have been a terrible experience. I think we would have just had to pay somebody to do it at that point. We're pretty much going in there to get the Legend some parts. We definitely need to get her a window actuator because her driver window is having the hardest of time to go up. And maybe some other parts like headlights, because we want to retrofit some stuff into her car. And I'm really hoping they have one of my cars because I would love an AMG hood for it, but there's no way they have anything new at junkyards. Here's some of the stuff you need if you're going to the junkyard. Definitely need an impact and some sockets, because what's the point if you don't have the sockets? And some miscellaneous tools like everything you see on this screen right now, like a drill, the ratchet screwdriver set, and this hunk of junk right here. You can't forget the most important tool of them all, the 10mm. By 2JZ. This is so heavy. Oh wow, that is really heavy. That reminds me of middle school. Remember back in middle school when they made you bring, I don't know, 15,000 books to school and made it seem okay for a kid that was like 110 pounds to carry a 30-pound backpack for 8 hours a day just because they could? I'm pretty sure a lot of my classmates from back then got scoliosis from middle school. But enough talking about school. That's not what this channel is about. It's about cars, and we're going to the junkyard. Tien is already waiting inside the car. It's kind of hot in there. She's having some allergies, unfortunately, but I hope they go away soon. Hello. Okay, let's go. Oh, and guess what? It started the first time this time, but we still haven't fixed the main relay issue because I don't want to go back to O'Reilly's anytime soon. I think we just drove by a Corolla Camry meet. I don't know what this is, but that's an interesting flex. We're about to hit 120,000 miles. Thought I'd show the world.
1 hour later.
We made it, and we are looking not for a stack of cars, but for a black Acura Legend. Also, let me know, should I get that domino sign right there? I think it'd be pretty funny to have a domino sign on top of my car. What do you think? Do you think it'd be funny?
Maybe.
There we go. Let's just paint this yellow and then I'll have a hood. That's the fitment I want. I want to be this slammed right here. That's sick. BMWs, you know, where they belong.
Got it!
You want that spoiler right there?
I don't know.
The guy at the front told us that foreigns are gonna be in lot 5, 4, and 1. So far, this is lot 5. No luck. I mean, this is probably the smallest of the 3 lots, but it was the closest one to the entrance. So we checked it out. Now let's go check out 4 and then 1, and if we can't find it, then we'll be back here to try to find it again. Fingerprints all over. Is that me? That's me in 5 years right there. I really want that sign. If it's $10, I'll get it. If it's more, I'll leave it. Wow, it looks like I've been doing jack stands wrong my entire life. Babe, did you know that you could just use your wheels as jack stands? Look at these guys. Yeah, everybody seems to be doing it around here. I'm gonna start doing that. We don't need jack stands anymore. Just buy wheels. Use that as jack stands. Also, if anybody's looking for a slightly burned driver's side headlight for an SC, hit me up. I got you. Found it. It looks fantastic. Babe, it's here. Look at that. I think it is the same. Is it the same one?
It's missing the trunk. Yep.
Yeah, this is the one from last time. Wow.
Yeah.
Unless there's another one. Yeah, it's missing a lot. He did say it was missing body panel, so I'm guessing it is this one. All right, let's see what else we can get from this thing. There's one headlight. Those are blown. You want that? This one's bent. Last time we came here, which I posted on Instagram and TikTok, this is the one that we stole the trunk from. Well, we didn't steal it. We took the trunk off of it and paid for it, obviously. It has none of the stuff we really want except one headlight, but what's the point of just getting one headlight? We're gonna still walk around because there's plenty of cars here. And maybe we find another gem. I don't know. She's kind of upset.
I am, because it's the same one. You see, I already took the trunk.
Yes, that trunk was a pain to take out. If you guys want to see that, it's on TikTok. It was actually pretty fun. She had to sneak her way through this and try to pop it because it was locked. Found her dream car. One day you'll get one. If you guys keep on supporting, we'll make a VIP one of these or something like that. Look at that, it has the first aid kit inside. I want that first aid kit. That's the closest thing we'll find to my car today. An E350 from like 2008, I think. Oh well. So are we gonna get that domino sign?
Sure, if you really want it.
It was a long drive. We came out here. Sadly, we didn't find anything. So we're probably just gonna go and head home.
The next day.
It's been 24 hours since we left that junkyard and we haven't done anything car related since because we were kind of bummed out yesterday. I need to clean my car because it is filthy. Because we are going to a car meet with some friends and I might be shooting some footage out there if I don't feel too shy to bring out my camera. This is what we're working with right now. It's mostly dirty towards the bottom and the back. I did wipe it a little bit a couple days ago because it was really bad. Also, huge shout out to HydroSilex for sending me some of their products to try out. This one, I know it, I've used it many times and I love it. This right here, I was interested. It's a wheel cleaner and my wheels do get pretty dirty because they're light color and the car's low, so there's tire and stuff going everywhere. So I wanted to check that out. And I think this is new from them, the ceramic waterless wash. And I love waterless washes because it makes my day so much easier when it's just dusty and all I need to do is spray it down with this stuff and wipe it. I've cleaned the passenger side with this stuff and I'm pleasantly surprised. You know how like most detailing sprays, they do fine, but they leave like this like lather feel on top, so you have to like use 2 towels so that you can put it on and then wipe it off, and then they don't do well on windows at all. This kills it on windows, which means it kills it on black surfaces too, because black surfaces are super reflective just like windows. I did my roof and my windshield and rear windshield and the passenger windows, but I haven't done the driver ones yet because I want to show y'all. Also, it cleans almost as well as their degreaser, which is saying something for a waterless wash. Obviously, degreaser is going to get everything, but this cleans off pretty much everything too. I have yet to use a degreaser on the car. This smells great. I think it smells like blue raspberry, which is nice. The wheel cleaner, I tried on one wheel. It did a great job, even though the lips are polished. I might do the other 3 if I have time before the meet. Oh, they do sponsor me, which is fantastic because I love their products and I wouldn't take sponsorship from something I don't believe in. So I will leave the link in my description of the video. If you want to try them out, use code MARC, M-A-R-C, I think it's in all caps, and you'll get 25% off. It doesn't only work on your first order. I think any order you make, you 25% off with code MARC. Check them out. Make sure you let them know I sent you there, and let me know if you like it. Send me a DM or something, or comment on this video if you ever get their products. I would love to hear your input on this stuff. Babe, is that you? Wow! Where did you get your inspiration from today?
You like it?
I love it!
Thank you.
Nice. Looking like a whole key lime pie. You ready to go?
Yes.
You like the photos I took?
Yeah. I look stupid.
Stupid cute. We're actually gonna be using my car for its intended purposes, which is carrying passengers. We're gonna go pick up one of my friends, or our friends. He lives like 15 minutes away and his car is down right now at the shop. So he wants to come with us to the meet, so I'm gonna go pick him up. We made it to meeting our friends. Ethan brought his girlfriend out with the GSF. Unfortunately, I don't want to look at it. That's Billiam's car. Billiam. And that's Emmanuel's S2000.
Yeah, I mean S500.
I love S2000s, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
ever since I saw the Need for Speed movie, I've been in love.
you know, we got the NK RPF0 right there.
I don't know
You
what
know
that
what I'm
is,
saying?
but I love the word.
You know, it just works. And then we got the tongue right there, says Sparko.
Oh!
Because, you know, we lighten it up, so Spark O.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
oh.
Yeah,
Billy has, you're doing her stuff on the side now, right?
Yes.
He can outfit a body up there to bring it to the coroner?
I can maybe fit 2.
2 body. Yeah, but why would you?
If they're skinny enough, saves the drive.
The planet.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
You know how it is.
What's his
Tien
Instagram?
is still matching my car.
Emmanuel, what's your Miata's Instagram?
And I think Ethan's cleaning his girlfriend's car. We're about to pull up to the meet, and it's a small meet. It was like an
left, then arrive at your destination.
It was like an invite-only meet, so I don't know how it's gonna be.
I got the invite.
She got the invite. Nobody invited me. I wasn't gonna go. I wasn't gonna go. I was gonna let her go on her own.
No, but I told him that it was neither I'm gonna pull up to the meet with my Legends or
fuck.
in Mark's
I
car.
need to air up.
But-
This is bad.
Yeah, look at this.
Wow.
It's hella inclined. Are we early? Where's everyone?
Is it behind? cars over there.
Are we early? I think we're early.
Wait, didn't it start at 6?
Starts at 7.
We're too early, so we're gonna leave. We're leaving?
No.
It's way too... We're 5 minutes early, and I thought they started at 6, but apparently the car starts at 7. I had no idea. But yeah, look, we're lined up.
I was looking at the invite.
There's a WRX over there, which is sick, and a Speed 3. I think this is the epitome of the car meet at this point. There's probably like 30, 20 cars, I don't know, 30, 35 cars. And Billy's about to shoot a TikTok video of, what is it about?
Car meet.
And what?
That's it.
Car meet, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's a minivan. It's got rims, that's sick.
It's called wheels.
There's a Mini Coupe. The Clubman, I think? I don't know. I don't want to look over there. Nice, 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 nice. This guy wrapped his car recently. It's pretty nice. This thing is nice. It has a wide body on it and some 3-piece wheels. I don't know what he's filming. He's static, obviously. As you can tell by all the defects, definitely static. This guy's still here from the beginning. No idea who he is. A genius boy. Another genius boy. A Miata next to another Miata. This guy busted his lip on his way in. How do you feel about breaking your lip?
Man, why'd you ask me that?
This guy's from Japan! We're still hot there. Looking flashy, I guess. Has to be one of the nicest static cars here. Look at that fitment. That's nice. If you guys saw the video where we rolled her fenders, you'll recognize this car, and I didn't know it was so close to being done, actually. Remember this? It was at Steven's shop. What else? This thing is nice. It's also from Japan! Babe, how does it feel to have an Evo buddy?
I don't have one.
It's a nice Evo. I like it. He's on Cup Kids, which is mad respect. This guy's drift inspired. And this guy, apparently, according to Ethan over here, has the flares that Tien has at home for her Lancer.
Alternative motive.
They look good.
No.
I think Ethan approved. Look at that conversation going on. Here's another look at that Evo. Such a nice build. This guy, I like it. Oh my god! A bagged Mustang. Very nice. Has a lot of camber. That is nice. I think it's missing something. It has the best fitment I've seen in my life. That's tucking hard, man. You heard of kit cars? This guy kits his own car to meet.
Dude, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do.
I see that. These are some sick wheels. They're from Japan. I don't know what happened, man. This car used to be amazing, and now it's just missing a ton of stuff. Billy over there is using my car as clickbait for his TikTok. Shake my head. That is a mean looking car. Wow. Is that Rex?
Look at these guys talking.
Now let me show you the Louis Vuitton car, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, take a look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Muy bien, alright? Let's take a look at this lemon right here, okay? Very good, huh?
And it's not an AMG, is that right?
No, it's not an AMG.
Why is that?
It's an AMG S Black Edition.
Really?
No.
Damn.
It's not even a Mercedes.
It's not a Mercedes?
No, it's a Honda with the body kit.
You're on bags, right?
Yes.
Why aren't you sitting lower?
Because
like
of
touching the ground.
I don't have enough groceries in the car.
Oh, for
I think we're done. That's it, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna go have dinner at this point. Because we've been here for like at least 35 minutes now. And I think we're done. Yeah. Good turnout. No rowdiness, which is nice. Billy got his TikToks, which is sick. And I got no TikToks.